Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix this error code connection loss. Sorry, that was unexpected. We're having some trouble reaching the right game servers. So basically this is most likely an issue on your end. So the first thing you can do is try to just obviously log back in, check to see if that works, and maybe we'll just you have to wait a few seconds, maybe close the application, turn it on again. If that does not work, let me just first see if this fixes. If that does not work, obviously what you can do is go to home, go to settings, and then just make sure there's nothing wrong with your internet, like you're fully connected. Right now, see, okay, I'm good on PlayStation Network, signed in. All right, let's go to test internet connection, check to see if that's working, and then go back to Valorant, and then like I said, now I'm good. But if it's not working for you still, what you can do is change your network. Go to network, go to settings, go to network, and then change the So go to settings, set up internet connection, go to your Wi-Fi, and then you're going to basically click on the options button on your controller, and you're going to do advanced settings, and then from there you're going to change the DNS settings. So the first one, you're just going to do primary DNS, you're going to do 8.8.8.8, and then secondary DNS, you're going to change it to 8.8.4.4. And once you do that, you should be good to go. Just turn your PlayStation off. Just turn your PlayStation off, and then turn it back on, and then check to see if that fixes, and that should fix. And you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.